This store operates on a dropshipping system and sells this product. Last month, it made more than $19,000 from just this product, all through content creation. They created an account on TikTok, placed the store link in the bio, and produced daily content for these products, reaching millions of views. They sell this product for about $25, while its cost is around $6, allowing them to achieve a large profit margin and fulfill over 1,000 orders last month. Today I will teach you how to start dropshipping in 3 steps. Subscribe to the channel and like this video because I share profitable products daily. Step 1. Register an account on Shopify and create an online store. I will leave the registration link in the video description, and through it, you'll get the first 3 months for just $1 instead of paying $32 per month. Then we move to step 2, which is finding a supplier to source the products at low prices and ship them to customers. This supplier is Zendrop. I will leave the Zendrop registration link in the video description. Zendrop offers a free plan with thousands of profitable products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. We'll install the app on the store, then click on Apps and select Zendrop. Then we can search here for the product name, which is the product this person is selling. We'll open it, and here you'll find the product details, along with the variants, which include the available colors and sizes of the product. Here you'll see the costs, including product cost and shipping cost, and here is the total cost. Here you can select the destination country from this area to view the shipping prices, and here is the average shipping duration. To add this product to the store, click on Add to My Products. After that, go back and add more products in the same way. Then click on My Products and we will find the products here. We'll click on Review and Publish. Here we can edit everything before publishing the product to the store, including the product name, product description, variants, and sale price. Here you can change the sale price, and the profit per item sold will be displayed. Then I'll start choosing the images to publish on the store. Then I click on Publish to My Store and then confirm, and the product is published on the store. If I go to Shopify now and click on Products, I will find the product here on the store, and I can now open the product and edit everything from this area. The following steps are designing the online store on Shopify, adjusting settings, and connecting payment gateways so the customer can pay for the product. I've left a complete video link in the description that explains how to design an online store on Shopify. So now when a customer orders the product from the store, the order will go to Zendrop and you'll fund the balance with the order cost and start shipping it to the customer. One of the benefits of Zendrop is that it allows you to fill 25 orders in the free plan, and then you can subscribe to a paid plan if you want unlimited orders. The most important step is marketing and content creation. You can create an account on TikTok and Instagram, put the store link in the bio, and start creating daily content for the products you will sell via dropshipping. And that's it. This was today's tutorial. I wish you a successful journey in e-commerce. Goodbye.